How to remove music from video but keep voice. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel, and in this tutorial I'll make sure to show you the procedure on how can you remove music from video but keep voice. To do it, so you want to simply make sure to watch this video right till the end. You could do this procedure with the help of a CapCut. So first of all, install CapCut to your device, and once installed, you could then go ahead and log in and click on edit section. After you've actually done it, so then you want to come to the new project section and then select the particular video that you want to use it, and click on the add button and tap on the video first of all and click on isolate voice. Once you've done it, so you want to go ahead and click on the tick button, and then you want to click on the tick button and the voice will be extracted, or the audio will be extracted. So once you've actually done it, so after you've extracted the audio, then you want to go ahead and make sure to extract isolate an audio just like I've done it before, and that way you'll be able to remove music from video but keep the voice. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.